The Honeycomb theme by default comes with lots of options to change things like colours and branding and logos and things. If you want to take it a step further and start modifying templates or changing PHP or CSS in more detail, you'd need to create a child theme. The issue is if you were to change the files direct in Honeycomb, if we were to release an update later in the future, when you update, you would lose your changes. So you need to install a child theme and make any changes in the child theme. We do have a child theme available. It's very basic. It's just a style.css and a functions.php. The link to that will be included below. But essentially you installed it the same as you did Honeycomb or any other theme. Into Appearance and Themes, Add New, click Upload Theme, browse to the child theme zip, and click Install Now. And then once that's installed, we can click Activate. You'll then see within the theme we have the main Honeycomb theme, but now the active one is the child theme. So now we can go ahead and make changes to things like PHP or Property Hive templates, knowing that if we do update Honeycomb, we won't lose those changes in future.